fellas with beards, linings, hair, whatever it is, cosmetology, whatever you want to call it. Listen, it's fall time. Ain't got time to really be hitting the barber shop up like that. You know, it's grind time. This is when we get it in. You know, we grind it out. You know, I don't care if you got a 9 to 5 or if you in the street still hustling. We ain't got time to be hitting the barber shop up every week. It's time to grind. We ain't trying to look good for everybody right now at the expense of making that payment every week of going to that barber shop. You know, that barber, you got to tip your barber now. Barbers is expensive if you want to come out that chair looking right. So if you want to keep some money in your pocket and still be kind of not using as much time to having to go to the barber shop, having to wait to get lined up or get your beard or your hair cut, whatever the case may be, you may be out of town and might not even have a barber there, you know? And this is where this really comes in handy, because you can't just put your your hairline or your beard in the hands of just any barber. Nobody's doing that, let's be honest. So this is for you. So this is what you want to do. Get you some hairspray that's gonna hold. Something like spritz, maybe, but not spritz, but just get you some hairspray. Spray it and apply it to where your liner would be at. Let it dry for a minute and get some hair follicles. Make sure that, you know, you don't kind of just press it too hard and pump it too hard to where, you know, a lot of hair fibers will come out all at once. You want to kind of barely, you know, kind of spread just so a little gets applied bit by bit. The key thing is just try to get as close as possible. When you see I'm using a Venmo, a Venmo card, it doesn't matter what you use, man. Just get it done. You know, just apply it as well as you can, and you know, you don't have to be super crispy after just getting that $100 haircut or that $50, $60 beard trim. No, you don't have to. It's not gonna come out as it would at your barber shop, but it's gonna be good. So kind of just get it to where it looks good to you and you good. You know, you don't have to go to the barber shop. You wake up in the morning, if you got a meeting to go to early in the morning, you're like, dang, I can't even, you know, get to my barber in time. Here you go. Or you like, man, I got this pop-up date with this good woman right here I just met the other day, and I can't get into the barber shop, my barber out of town. Who's gonna take the risk of going to a random barber? I'm not. I ain't taking no risk of going to no random barber. I'm not about to put my beard in somebody else's fate. I'm not about to put the fate of my beard in somebody else's hand and clippers. Is you crazy? So no, I would do this. This is exactly what I would do. I would get me together. I'm not about to go ahead and destroy my beard or my lineup if I have one. And y'all lucky I ain't got no hair. If I had hair, I'd be having waves on this side, dreads in the back. I have an S curl in the front, and I have the afro. What's the little? I forgot the little hairstyle y'all do with the afro. Just be looking nappy. I have all that shit in one. Let me get some hair. So yeah, try to avoid going to the barber shop and letting them push your lining down. If you're trying to grow a fuller beard, quit letting them push it back down further, because the objective is to get you crispy. So of course they're gonna cut a little bit down, but during this stage, just let it grow. Just let it grow and use this technique just to fill in those patches, because in a sense you want to be crispy, but how can you grow your beard if you always get lined up? You see what I'm saying? Is keep pushing your lining back. Same way if you had a lining, if you're getting a haircut, your lining get pushed back if you ain't, you know, got the right barber that has the right mindset in mind when giving you a lining. Which I'm not a barber. I don't know what they would think or what they would do, but I don't want my lining pushed back. I don't think nobody do, but it happens. So the same thing with your beard. But if you use this technique, you know, during this grind time, save you some money and also get to grow that beard out, you know, and I know everybody use different, you know, have their own beard routine or regimen. I use my own products, you know, so it's not about the products, it's just about letting it grow, you know, use whatever, you know what I mean, shampoo, conditioner, whatever it is, but just let it grow. Give it some time to grow. You're gonna look ugly for a minute, you're gonna look smack, but it's alright, because whenever you're ready to look good, go ahead and do your 1-2 and you ready. You know, so, and bald heads with beards, we back. We back in the game. We who they want right now. I really wanted to say this at the beginning of the video, but I ain't want to detour anybody away from the message that was being said. But bald heads with beards, yeah, we them people. We them, they want us. We at the top of the chain, at the top of the charts right now. Yeah, so y'all get out here, man. Bald head men with beards, listen, they can't do nothing with us right now. I can talk about this forever, man. You know what I'm talking about? Where y'all at, bro? Give me a shout out. Give me a shout out. Hit the follow button, man. Subscribe. I'm gonna subscribe back. We in here, man. We've been down too long. It's been a minute since we've been being recognized. Now they all, what Mike Jones used to say? Now I'm hot, they all on us. How I go? 810-330-8004. And I'm out, man.